Today we are getting brand new tires on my 1978 Datsun 280Z. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while, but we are finally back to making videos. And today we are doing something with the 280Z. If that sounds cool to you, be sure to subscribe down below. Now, as you can see, this is one of the very first videos that we have filmed in this space. And I'm so excited to have this space and we can finally start making good, high quality content for you guys. Now, we have the BRZ sitting here, but today's video is not about the BRZ. I got plenty of things to do to the BRZ that I just have sitting around my house, like a lot of mods, but I haven't done them. So we'll get to it. But today we are dealing with the 280Z. Now there's a lot of things we gotta fix on the 280, but the tires is probably one of the biggest things that we gotta fix on this thing. Now we've already done coilovers, we've done a full new wiring harness and engine management system, new seats, new harnesses, lower control arms, a full new exhaust, and we still have more to do to this car. But today we are finally getting to the tires. Now these tires, I think they've been on the car for 10 years maybe. And the back ones are completely bald, and then the front ones are almost completely bald. So needless to say, we have to replace the tires. Now the Datsun is actually so low that Firestone can actually not fit their lift underneath. Basically what we have to do is I have to lift it, take the wheels off, take them to Firestone, and then they replace the tires there. So let's get started. I absolutely hate jacking this car up like this because the unibody rails, like the unibody chassis is it's old, and I'm a little concerned that it can't take the weight, but it's doing okay. I've kind of done a body shake test, make sure it's not gonna tip over, but I still want to get this done as fast as possible so that we don't leave those up on stands for very long. Now all we gotta do is get these wheels off, get them in the BRZ, and take them to Firestone. As you can see, this tire is pretty much bald. Also, there's like a nail in it. I actually think there's like a couple of nails in it. I don't really know how this isn't losing air. Pretty much all of the tires are like that. The backs are worse than the fronts, but like the fronts, honestly, like they have a little bit of tread on them. I could burn them off, but like the tires are hard. Like they're pretty much done. I'm happy that we're finally doing this, but this is actually the worst one. Like this is actually terrible. Like it is flat. I basically have slicks at this point. So we need to replace these tires, and luckily they have them in stock at Firestone. So let's get these wheels loaded up into the BRZ and go get new tires. Before we do that, let's take a moment to appreciate the Wilwood brakes on both, not only the front, but the rear of the 280. I mean, this looks so cool. You can see the brand new V-band exhaust on this car. I know I haven't given you guys a great exhaust clip of this car yet, but don't worry, it is coming soon with the new headers and everything, and it's gonna sound so cool. anyone who says the BRZ isn't a practical car. I just fit 3 tires and I'm about to fit a 4th in it, so I'd say it's pretty practical. Okay, I thought I wasn't gonna be able to do it there for a minute. I thought I spoke too soon. But basically what I did is we got 1, 2, 3 inside the car and then 1 not on top of the car. We got 1 right here on some trash bags so they don't damage my nice seats. Innovation that excites. I really don't know how I did this. I have all 4 tires in here somehow. I really hope they fit back in here with the new tires. I probably won't be much of a difference, like it'll probably be like an inch, but could you imagine I couldn't get all 4 tires back in? I just have to do 2 trips, but you know. I miss making videos with the BRZ. We need to make more videos with the BRZ because I drive this thing every day, but like, I didn't think people wanted to see me driving it. So now that I know people do, we're gonna be making a lot of videos with it. And we have arrived at Firestone. Hopefully they can put my tires on. I know they have them. Let's see if they got enough time to put them on today. Okay, so not only do they have my tires, but they are putting them on for me today, which is awesome. Hopefully we'll be able to get them back today and throw them on the Datsun so we have brand new tires. And just like that, we have the brand new tires put on and loaded back up in the BRZ. Let's go ahead, head back to the garage and get these things back on the Datsun. I absolutely love driving the BRZ and I cannot wait to do more to this car. I've not wanted to modify it because I did buy this new and like my mentality now has changed, but I didn't want to modify it because I was like, oh man, all brand new parts, you know, I don't want to like switch them out. But now they're used parts by about 5 years, and so I think it's time to start upgrading stuff. Let's do one of the slowest pulls ever known to man. Yeah. Still fun, but it is slow. And it's even slower with the tires, I'm realizing. I got probably a few 100 pounds of tire, maybe not a few 100 pounds of tires, but I got quite a bit of weight in just tires in my car right now that is making me even slower. Anyway, we're back here at the garage. We need to unload the tires. Let's take a minute to appreciate the Datsun up on stands. Beautiful wheelwood brakes that we put on front and rears with the BC coilovers. Absolutely love this car, but let's go ahead and get the new tires on and I'll love it that much more. Also, I just want to point out, I don't know if you guys can tell, but these compared to the older tires, these are so much nicer. I knew the old ones needed to be replaced, but not that bad. This is like a night and day difference. For everybody who's wondering what my wheel and tire size is, here you go. 225/50 by R15, and these are Kumo tires. You know, I don't think I've ever tried this on the channel before, but let's go ahead and try it. The magic of editing. And just like that, all of the brand new tires are on the car. These things are gonna feel so much better. It's gonna make the car feel completely different. And look how cool that looks. Let's go ahead and get it back down on the ground. And just like that, we have the Datsun back on the ground. And it just looks super great. Now, you can't really tell that they're new tires from this point of view, but once you get up on here, you really start seeing that meat of that tire there. Let's go ahead and pull it out and go for some spirited drives to test out these new tires. I love the sound of this thing. The brand new exhaust, like the full exhaust on this, it's just crazy. It still needs to be tuned. I'm getting some weird like O2 correlation readings, and so gotta like adjust that a little bit, but I think I know what's wrong. I'll fix that another time though. Safety first, do the harnesses. I want to get new harnesses, or like normal seat belts, so I don't need to do harnesses every time, but again, plenty of things to fix before that though. Already, like I haven't even left the parking lot yet, like already I can tell that these tires are so much better. Like these are able to put the power down. This is substantially better than it was. So I probably won't really be able to tell a difference until I like autocross this thing or push it really hard, which I'm not really ready to do yet because I still have some adjustments to make with the motor. Oh my gosh. And suspension. As you can tell, this is more of a race car than it is like a comfort car. So we reached a straightaway. Okay, this isn't necessarily faster, but it puts the power down so much better with brand new tires. I had no idea I needed tires. Well, okay, I did know I need tires pretty bad, but like, I didn't realize how much of a difference it would make. You can just tell that it's so much better. Oh my gosh! Okay, this thing is nuts. I don't know if I don't know if I'm going fast or not. Well, my speedometer's broken. I don't know if I'm going fast or it just feels like I'm going fast. This thing is insane, bro. Downshift and go. Woo! Woo! Bro, this thing is so much fun. Oh my gosh. I need to finish this car, bro. Oh my gosh, I gotta finish this car. I just fell absolutely back in love with that car. After everything that we've done over the past 2 years on that car, it is finally drivable in such a great way. But that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. I know you guys have a bunch of questions. What's going on with the cars? Where's the BRZ? Where's the BRZ? Where's the BRZ? What's the garage? Those are the most common questions I get. But don't worry, I'll answer all your questions in the near future. But for now, that's gonna do it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye. Innovation that excites. Wait a minute, isn't that Toyota's? I think that might be Toyota's tagline, but you know, Subaru, Toyota, close enough, right?